What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In previous videos we found out how to solve quadratic equations in the form of x squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. But right now I want to show you if the coefficient of x squared is not equals to 1, how do you solve this? Examples. Sometimes you can use the common factor to factor all the terms. So when the coefficient can be factored from all three terms of the trinomial, you can factor it. For example, you have 3x squared minus 12x minus 15 equals to 0, and then you need to solve it. The answer will be, as you see here, all these terms are multiple of 3. So you factor 3 here, will be x squared, negative 12x divided by 3 is negative 4x, negative 15 divided by 3 is negative 5. Then you need to solve this one using the methods you learned earlier. You can say x squared minus 4x minus 5 equals to 0. X squared minus 4x equals to 5 when you move negative 5 to the right hand side. Negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2, and negative 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So you add 4 to both sides. It will be x minus 2 to the power of 2 equals to 9. So x minus 2 will be plus minus square root of 9 or plus minus 3. So x will be 2 plus 3, 2 minus 3. So that's 5, and this one is negative 1. Next example. Two x squared plus 16x minus 8 equals to 0. Again, since all terms are multiple of 2, I can factor 2 here. 16 divided by 2, 8. Negative 8 divided by 2, negative 4. So since the whole term is equal to 0, this cannot be 0, so this part must be 0. So x squared plus 8x minus 4 equals to 0. Therefore, x squared plus 8x will be equal to positive 4 if you move negative 4 to the right hand side. Now, b is 8, divided by 2 is 4, and 4 squared is 16. So you add 16 to both sides. Therefore, it's going to be x plus 4 to the power of 2, and here we have 20. So x plus 4 will be plus minus square root of 20, or plus minus 4 times 5, or 2 root 5. Because 20 is 5 times 4, and the square root of 4 is 2. Then x will be negative 4 plus minus 2 root 5. Next example. 4x squared minus 24x minus 56 equals to 0. If you factor 4, it's going to be x squared minus 6x minus 14 equals to 0. So that will be x squared minus 6x minus 14 equals to 0, or x squared minus 6x equals to positive 14. So negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. Negative 3 to the power of 2 is positive 9. So we add 9 to both sides. So it's going to be x minus 3 to the power of 2 equals to 23. Then you can say x minus 3 is plus minus square root of 23. So x will be 3 plus minus square root of 23. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. If you found it useful, please like this channel, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding math and lots of different topics in chemistry. Thank you and have a great day.